Hello everyone, my name is Vivek Chavan. I have been teaching mathematics from last 7 years. So today I am going to take the topic trigonometry. So let's start. Now chapter number 8, trigonometry of class 10th CBSE board. So what all things we are going to take in this chapter is first trigonometric ratios. There are 6 different trigonometric ratios. Second, trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Next, we will be doing trigonometric identities. And finally, trigonometric ratios of some complementary angles. Now let's move on to trigonometric ratios. Now, a right angle triangle has been displayed. First of all, we will give naming to it. Suppose this is vertex A, this is vertex B, and this is vertex C. Now, as it is a right angle triangle, it has 3 sides. Its 3 sides are AB, BC, and AC. Now, the side exactly opposite to the 90-degree is called as hypotenuse. The side BC is called as the base of the triangle, and side AB is nothing but the height of the triangle. So trigonometric ratios, what they are nothing but the ratio of these 3 different sides. Like for example, this is my angle theta. Okay, this angle C, I have assumed it as theta. So now what I will do, if I take the ratio AB upon AC, if I take the ratio of any two sides, AB upon AC, next I can take BC upon AC, next I can take AB upon BC, next I can take BC upon AB, next I can take AC upon AB, next I can take AC upon BC. So 6 different ratios of this sides we can take. These 6 different ratios of sides are called as trigonometric ratios. Okay, now let's see one by one. Which one is the first? First one is sine theta. Now suppose this angle is theta. So sine theta is what? It is the ratio of opposite side and hypotenuse. Now for this figure, our opposite side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So what we can write from this figure, opposite side upon hypotenuse means what? AB upon AC. So AB upon AC, this ratio is nothing but sine theta. Next is second ratio is cos theta. Now cos theta is what? It is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Now adjacent side to this angle theta is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So it is the ratio of BC upon AC. Now, if I take the ratio of these two, sine theta and cos theta, I will get a new trigonometric ratio. That new trigonometric ratio is tan theta. So what is tan theta? Tan theta is nothing but opposite side upon adjacent side. So now for this angle theta, the opposite side is what? AB and the adjacent side is what? It is BC. So AB upon BC. Okay. Next is cot theta. Cot theta is nothing but the reciprocal of tan theta. The ratio which we got in tan theta, its reciprocal is cot theta. So adjacent side upon opposite side is cot theta. So BC upon AB is cot theta. Next, the reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta. Okay, now what we got here, BC upon AC, we will just write it in the reciprocal form, that is AC upon BC. And at the last, the reciprocal of sine theta is cosec theta. Okay, so what we got here, AB upon AC, we will write just in the reciprocal form. So this will come AC upon AB. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios which we require in trigonometry. and these are the formulas how we got it, and it is completely based on the right angle triangle only. Depending on the three sides, if we randomly take the ratio of any two sides, we get one trigonometric ratio. This is how we find the trigonometric ratios. Thank you.